Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at all the major improvements and fixes of Beas Manufacturing 2026.02. In this version, we concentrated on bug fixing and focused on various improvements in the MRP area, filter, and general settings, along with usability improvements. We added new functions and the enhanced usability of the Beas AI Assistant and improved the Debugger and Configuration Wizard usability. Let's see all these in detail. Now you can duplicate an MRP scenario by clicking on the Duplicate entry in the right-click menu. The duplicated entry will be shown below the selected scenario that should be duplicated. It will get a new scenario number and copy is appended to the description. In the MRP Wizard overview and in the editing area of an MRP scenario, there is a new right-click option called MRP General Parameters. This option opens a Configuration Wizard window. The window displays a subset of the settings from the full Configuration Wizard. All entries displayed here are MRP-related settings. That is, all settings displayed here affect the behavior of the MRP calculation. Changing the settings here is equivalent to changing them in the Configuration Wizard. When creating a new MRP scenario, working days are defined as default instead of a delivery date. In addition, it is now easier to recognize and select whether calculations should be based on a fixed delivery date or working days. In an MRP scenario, you can now enter your own filter to limit the number of items to be calculated. The filter can be entered directly in the input field or edited in a SQL editor via the SQL icon. The filter entered is checked immediately to see whether the condition is executable. A green or red flag next to the input field indicates whether the condition is correct. A condition can also be deactivated by placing it in a comment. In this version, we are introducing further improvements in the Beas AI Assistant. The assistant can now connect to the Beas documentation, giving clear steps and references on the user's request. A new button to create a new chat and reset the history of conversation. When retrieving data from the database, the result will be better presented to the screen, also improving performance and tokens generation cost. The debug window has an item tab where we can display information about the object over which the mouse pointer is located. Previously, only a small amount of information was displayed, depending on the object type. Now, all properties defined for the object are shown. The usability of the Configuration Wizard, and also other wizards as the MRP scenario detail definition has been improved. Searching for an entry now takes only a fraction of a second, independent of whether the entry is on top or the bottom of the list. When searching, the whole entries are not expanded anymore. Only the searched entry is expanded. This makes it easier to see in which area the searched entry is located. Additional to the expand function in the right-click menu, there is now a collapse option. The expand/collapse function is now much faster. Sometimes the database returns an exception when an SAP document is created. This exception is fired by SAP because a deadlock is detected. The problem is reproducible at customers that create a lot of documents simultaneously. In Beas, we implemented a retry functionality to try to create the document when this deadlock situation is detected. This new function ensures the creation of documents. This concludes the introduction of the major improvements and fixes of Beas Manufacturing 2026.02. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.